Hey guys, Jessie Janae here, founder of Lumi, and you're watching Unboxing Things, a show where we unbox a brand but talk all about the box itself instead of the products because we make packaging for e-commerce brands. So let's see who's in my handy mailbox today. Ooh, you guys, we have Maude. This episode might be PG-13 because Maude is a great sex essentials brand. Maude is a fresh, modern, sophisticated take on selling things that we all use way more than we might talk about. Things like condoms and lube. And you can tell straight when you look at the box that they're going for an understated look. Something that doesn't scream, I just ordered condoms sitting on my doorstep. And I think they're achieving it really, really well. So the clean look starts with how they're approaching manufacturing. This is just a white corrugate box with a one-color print that says Maude. And that's really all they've got going on the outside, except for their URL, and then also this sticker label that closes the box instead of tape. Now, I hope you can tell, it's just a tonal gray tone, but it's actually a custom-made sticker to be this size so that it doesn't kind of overhang, just fits perfectly and closes the box. The thermal shipping label with address information is going on the bottom of the box, so it doesn't interfere with the simple branding and the clean lines going on here. And the box itself feels really snug. So let's open it up and see what's going on inside. I'm going to open my sticker label here, super simple. Okay, you've got a classic mailer style box here that prevents any dust going inside, and we call it a roll end front tuck in the industry. But now you can also see that the product itself is cradled in a corrugate insert that actually holds things in place so that nothing bumps around. They don't need to wrap everything in a bunch of wrap either. What else do we notice? Well, the inside of the box is printed, again with just a nice gray tone, but with a cutaway here to a simple phrase that just says sex made simple, period. Again, super small, understated. It doesn't scream anything at me or anything cheesy like you might see with other brands. It's just clean. Aside from the simple phrase here on the box, there's a Collateral card that starts talking to me and giving me a little bit more of their brand feel. Modern sex essentials for all people. They're doing a great job of making this traditionally taboo subject that people don't discuss just really approachable. They have another phrase that I love that's part of their brand called a better morning. They're really bringing this sex subject out of the dark and just making it feel like a normal part of my routine. Now I'm looking at the product. The product itself is cradled in a corrugate insert that is custom shaped for the product itself. So I can take it right out and boom, I've got a bottle shaped hole right here. Boom, bottle shaped hole. Now this is convenient because it means they don't need extra void fill. They don't need to wrap the products. And I see them right away when I open the box. This is the condoms and they're put here in this corrugate insert. And when I take them out, I notice something right away. It says the phrase right here, a better morning is here. So they've got a phrase tucked under the product. I didn't even know that. Now I do. It's kind of a fun surprise. So this laminated pouch has a zip top, but it's heat sealed at the very top so that I'll be the first person that opens it. And then I can use a zipper after that to take these condoms with me, throw them in my bag, throw them in a travel case. But I know that I'm the first person to open them. It gives me a lot of confidence, especially with a product so involved in my health. When I take a look at this insert and I fold it flat, it's really easy to see that this is just a die cut shape, really economical in production actually, because there's no printing on this piece. And so it's just white corrugate on one side, craft on the other, die cut, and then boom. Very custom feel for how inexpensive this component is. Let's take a look at what flute's being used on the insert and the box. When I take out my flute identifier, I can see that this is an E-flute. And then let's check the box itself. Also is an E-flute, which is a nice tight but strong flute, a little bit thinner than a standard kind of corrugate box you might see. And that creates a nice kind of simple, clean fit and finish because I don't see a lot of big waves that you see on the thicker types of corrugate. I'll disassemble this box for you. When I fold it all the way flat here, what I can see is that there's an additional cutout. This is where the insert is notching in. So they added one little cutout here, very, very simple, at zero cost to the production of this box. But that way my insert snaps in, kind of snap locks in, and holds in place so that it can't bounce around or disassemble on its way to the customer. Very simple construction technique to make sure that everything stays together. If you can't already tell, I personally am very excited that a brand like this exists. And I think it's time to roll in the recap. I love Maude packaging for so many reasons, but there's a few key ones. One, it's clean. The overall aesthetic is clean and beautiful, but also the anti-tamper evidence gives me that feeling that the products are clean and hygienic when they arrive to me. Super key. It's neutral. The colors are neutral, the overall feeling is neutral, which is important because these products aren't just for women and aren't just for men. They're for everybody. And that's a key tenet of the brand. It's understated. I don't want to receive sex essentials and have all my neighbors know, and they're achieving that flawlessly. So you guys, this is Maude Unboxed.